I'm Eric from Blue Collar Prep, and today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the horseshoe mustache using the Wahl trimmers. Before you start, you want to make sure your Wahl trimmer is fully charged, cleaned, and oiled. So the first thing you want to do is wash and dry your face. So next you're going to use your Wahl beard brush and brush all your hair down. In order to achieve the horseshoe mustache, you really want to let your facial hair grow out at least 1/4 inch. To get started, use your Wahl trimmer to closely trim your cheeks and neck, leaving your mustache, chin, and the area surrounding your mouth untouched. So now I'm going to get started using the 1.5 guide comb. Now you're going to use your Wahl trimmer to create a vertical line of hair about 1/2 inch to 1 inch wide, starting from the corner of your mouth down to your chin. You're going to do this on both sides of your mouth, paying close attention to the length and width to make sure that they're even. Now that I got the outside lines pretty much where I want them to be, I'm going to start working from the inside out. So now if you're using the guide comb, we're going to take it off and you're going to do some trimming above the lip, above the mustache, and around just to clean it up. So now I'm going to use my Wahl mustache comb to comb down my mustache. So now that I'm all done, I'm going to add a little beard softener. I'm going to put a little dab on my hand and rub it all over my face and beard to just keep my face and beard nice and soft and moisturized. That's it. This is the horseshoe mustache.